it's easy. Today I was supposed to go see my friend, but she cancelled because she had an emergency. So I don't know what to do, but I really want to film. Because if I don't film today, I'll never film. To be honest, I'm kinda really broke. So I don't see what I can do, because in Montreal you have to pay for every single thing. And then I was like, oh, let's go on a hike. Let's discover things. It's raining. So I figured, why not staying home and do things at home? It doesn't sound fun like that, but I swear, we're gonna figure out something. And I'm keeping it in the house, because I'm having a bad hair day. Let's get going. Hi. I saved the camera. I know I said that was broke and that it was raining outside and I should not go out and everything. But I've been craving some Tim Hortons since this morning. So we're gonna grab some Timis. Let's go. I need my Timis! Bonjour.
Bon matin.
Bon matin. Je voudrais prendre un moyen ice cap avec de la vanille, s'il vous plaît.
Moyen ice cap à la vanille.
Exactement.
Voulez-vous le crème fouettée?
Non, merci. C'est combien? C'est pas les marrons. Merci. Okay, we made it. So now the question is, what do we do today? Oh, brain freeze. Oh, aïe, it hurts. I'm fine. I'm fine. So the question is, what do we do today? I know I could do some cleaning, but do I want to? Not really. So what we could do is some fun stuff. I'm gonna try not to Netflix or video games because this is too easy and we do that all day long. So I'm gonna try to do things that are actually fun that I missed, like, I don't know, drawing. You don't know how long it has been since I've drawn something or painted something. It's been like forever. We'll figure it out during the day. I know I said that I wouldn't clean, but my room is a mess. So I'm gonna clean, get that done, and then we're gonna do some cool stuff. Cleaning! It's ready! See? That's why I never finish cleaning. When I don't know where to put something, I throw it on the bed. So all that goes on the bed, and then I clean my bed. Everything goes back in here, and then it goes back and forth, back and forth. I don't know how to clean. This is my problem. I don't know how to
get it by down. Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it.
I gotta stop doing that, right?
Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings.
And now, you just know that I'm gonna try to clean that and put it back here. That never ends! Are you gonna judge me if I do that? I don't know what to put there.
I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
I have finally finished! Okay, it's not 100% perfect, but at least I'm more comfortable in my room. There's nothing on the floor, so I'm guessing we did a good job. And now we don't want to get bored, and we said no Netflix and no video games. I want to make some drawing, but I want to make a game out of it. So let's do that. I think, yeah, it's been a while since I've been drawing, so I'm gonna discover my talent in drawing. Where? Can we count how many times I dropped that camera today? I was kind of scared to draw or to paint, for the only reason that it's like I'm scared because I'm not good at it, you know? Like, I learned recently that when you're not good at something doesn't mean you cannot make it a hobby. The whole purpose of it is to draw something just to have fun, right? But I don't do that. All I do is being good. So when I'm not good at something, it's because I don't like it, you know? I hate painting because I suck at it, but I want to enjoy the time. So today we're gonna paint because I like it, not because I'm good at it or not. Though I saw some little game on TikTok, it's like a challenge. They have to paint a song, which is a bit weird, right? So I'm gonna listen to a song and I'm gonna try to paint what I see, if it makes sense. Let's hope it's gonna be good. And you know what, even if it's not good, at least I will have fun. Let's get into it. I think I have finished. Ta-da! Let me know in the comments if you think that represents well the song. I don't know. When I heard the song, that's what I thought, but like, if I had the right colors, it would have been better. But definitely, if I had one advice in this video, is do whatever you want. Oh my god, this was so relaxing. It felt so good to paint. I had so much fun, and I haven't painted, I'd say, for at least 2 or 3 years, just because I think I'm not good at it. But who cares? Who cares if I'm not good at it? I at least enjoyed it. So I have to go work in like 30 minutes. I have to leave, so I'm already late. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know in the comment if you like this type of video. Let me know in the comment any other ideas of video, anything else you'd like me to do, what you liked. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next week for the next video. So peace out, I guess.